Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name is Sam, the Internet Specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this 2015 Honda CR-V SE Navi with the driver's assistance pack. This one was registered in May 2015, so it's coming up to 10 years old, but it doesn't look it. It's done incredibly low mileage as well for a diesel of this age. It's a 1.6 i-DTEC turbocharged diesel with the 6-speed manual transmission. As you can see, it's also got the tailgate spoiler for an added sporty look. Got the 18-inch diamond cut alloys, which look great as well. And it's finished in the urban titanium brown, which is nice, a little bit different. It hides the muck very well as well. Got front and rear sensors and a rear camera. I'll take you inside the car now. You can see there it's covered just 55,408 miles, which isn't too bad at all. We've got the little screen up here which shows different information, and then the main infotainment screen just down here, so that's fantastic. It does also have a rear camera that comes up when you pop it into reverse. Dual zone climate control is another nice thing to have on the vehicle. It comes up there when you change stuff, so that's great. You and your passenger can be different temperatures. You've also got the 6-speed manual transmission, a manual handbrake. The black cloth seats, same in the rear. You do have the ISOFIX as well, and you've got a lovely light headlining, so it's bright and airy in the cabin. I'll show you the service history now. So this is your service book. It was PDI'd on the 5th of May 2015, pre-delivery inspection. Had its first service in Bristol as well on the 11th of May 2016. It was done in Honda in 2017, independent garage in 2018, 2019 and 2020, and then from then on it's all been with us in 2021, 2022, and most recently in 2024 at 52,265 miles, so that's fantastic. As you can see, it's not done many miles since then. It's only on 55,408, so that's excellent. It's a very well looked after vehicle, which is great, and as I say, low mileage for the age. For a diesel, most CR-Vs generally do 10 to 12,000 miles a year, so that's very good. I'll take you around to the boot now. Having the driver's assistance pack as well gives you the rear cross traffic alert, the front collision warning as well, and the blind spot monitoring on the car, so that's great safety features. Here you can see you've got your retractable load cover, nice practical feature, plenty of space in the boot, and you do also have the spare wheel, which is a great feature. Most newer vehicles don't have that, so really nice that you've got that, especially if you're off the beaten track. You've got that peace of mind, which is great. Nice light tailgate as well. All in all, it's a great vehicle, will be a great family car. It's a 2-wheel drive model as well, so you still got that ground clearance, but you do better miles per gallon, which is fantastic. Especially if you're doing a lot of longer journeys, a diesel makes a lot of sense. If you do have any questions about the CR-V, please don't hesitate to contact us. We can't approve it as a Honda approved vehicle just due to the age. We can only approve up to 8-year-old cars, and this is coming up to 10, but it's a great vehicle. It'll still go through the Honda workshop for a full multi-point inspection, so you've got plenty of peace of mind with the vehicle. This will go pretty quick. They always do, the CR-Vs, decent quality sought after cars. So if you've got any questions, do call us on 01539 760 371. We'll be happy to help. We do accept part exchanges of all different makes, models, mileages as well. So whatever car you've got, bring it in and we'll have a look and get you the best price we possibly can against this CR-V. Thank you for watching. We hope to hear from you very shortly.